ukuthi siphelelwe injabulo. Uyasilwisa ukuthi singahambi with our chest out, manje njalo sibe our heads down. Silenzi ngesilungu kunalesisho abasithandayo bathi in life you fight or you flight. Amen. Kushuthi uyalwa or uyabaleka. Amen. So mina in this context ngizokhuthazelela ukuthi silwe bazalwane. Amen. IBhayibheli kuDeuteronomy I think it's chapter 30 verse 19 uthi uJehova lithi izwi lenkosi ngibekile ukufa nophilo kodwa ngithi khetha ukuphila. Amen. Choose to fight. Amen. Asiwona amagwala siphiwa umoya we-fear. Amen. Siphiwa umoya we-boldness. And as I researched ama-characteristics umhlanga yilo yana omila lapha emanzini nawufuna. Umhlanga usemanzini, so it's wet where the reed is manzi. So meaning that makuvela ama-storms or umoya wokwenza sense ukuthi umhlanga uwe. But because of the strength in the reed has umhlanga makuba khona umoya uyabenda uthi. But umhlanga there's one thing umhlanga ongawenzi umhlanga awubreak. So you may bend but you must never break. Amen. Bend njengomhlanga ubekiswa umoya but don't break. Amen. Impilo siyifesa head on. Amen. Impilo ayimele ukuthi ukhohlwe. So sukuma kujayi. Face life and face it head on. Amen. Face impilo. Benda makukhulu. Ingwa makumele kuwe. Kodwa ungapheleli lapho vuka. Get up. Amen. Face life. Amen. Kubo lobo buhlungu bempilo but face life. Kubo lobo bunzima. Face life. Don't be a sympathy. Kulobo bunjalo. Thatha ivaseline ugqokise. Soldier on. Siyalwa, soldier on. Bathi babhekile ukuthi hayi manje siyazi ithemba lakhe bokuyilokhu mara manje sifuna ukubona isivaseline. Amen. Ngisho don't look like your problems. Don't look like your problems.